In Yulio, default starting view allows you to set your beauty shot or desired starting location for each scene. When you upload your scene or 360 photo to Yulio, the scene will open in Yulio based on the camera position you had set in your render or what your 360 camera settings had dictated as forward. However, if you want to change that view to another part of the scene or the beauty shot when you're presenting in VR, you can do so by setting your default starting view. To set your default starting view, log into your Yulio account and select the project you would like to edit. Upload your scenes and then select the blue Hotspot Editor button. Select the starting direction icon on the left-hand side. You will notice an arrow show up in your view. That is indicating the starting direction. Adjust the opening view by dragging the image left or right. When you're happy with the scene location, click Apply. The thumbnail in the tool pane at the left will update to reflect your change. If you prefer to return to the original view, click Reset to Default on the left. You can continue to adjust the default starting view for each scene in your project. The next time you view your project in browser mode or in VR, the new default starting view will be adjusted for each scene. And that's it.